Can I say something now?
Don't, Mr. Carruthers. Don't. Are you losing? Are you losing?
No.
Then stop.
Hey there, welcome to the Courtroom Files. So the following two clips are from this morning's live show that we did, and they're both from Judge Fleischer's court, and they involve situations where he found no probable cause. And in the case of the second one, the gentleman was actually already in jail, and he was actually only out there to request a bond reduction and still found no probable cause. We present these because, yet again, it is proof that this particular judge is not a rubber stamp. I'm personally not sure that I agree with him on the decisions that he made here. I'm kind of on the fence on both of them, but let us know your thoughts in the comments if you would. We'd appreciate that. We love interaction on these videos. Please do put a like on the video if you enjoy it. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and consider joining us when we go live every morning, 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. Let's go ahead and roll the game film.
Mr. Carruthers, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 2nd, 2024, officers were dispatched regarding a major crash in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officers made contact with the wheel witness. The witness observed the defendant's 2005 gold Chevy strike an unknown person riding a bike with his vehicle.
Whoa.
Bike. Yes, Your Honor.
Struck a person?
Riding a bike. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The defendant then got out of his vehicle and began assaulting the unknown person and then drove away from the scene.
Whoa. You're telling me he strikes someone in a car and then on top of it starts assaulting this person?
Yes, Your Honor. The unknown person fled the scene, and the defendant was promptly found by officers 1 block away in a private driveway. That was not the defendant's residence. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer observed an odor of an alcoholic beverage, slurred speech, and poor balance. The defendant was detained. He refused SFSTs. The DIC was read. The defendant refused to provide a specimen. A blood search warrant was signed and executed. He was identified by his Texas driver's license.
I had just so many problems with this.
So, Judge, we have been unable to locate the unknown person that was on the bicycle. He fled because he was getting assaulted. We have no way of finding him.
Not only that, how do I know he's not consuming anything after the fact? How do we know he doesn't go home and chug a fifth of vodka?
The DIMS does say he was promptly found by the officers 1 block away.
I get it. Yeah, I get it. Promptly is a conclusory word.
I'm pulling up the OR right now, Judge, to see if they have anything more specific.
Can I say something now?
Don't, Mr. Carruthers. Don't. Are you losing? Are you losing?
No.
Then stop. Anything else? Was that it?
Looking at times, Your Honor, to see if we can establish when he was found based on when he was dispatched. I don't think we have anything additional, Your Honor.
It says, yeah.
Mr. Carruthers, I'm going to find no probable cause on your case. You know, we have enough death. We have enough dismemberment. We have enough blood all over our streets. Please don't add to it. Please just don't kill someone. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. You know, $40. An Uber will take you anywhere you want to go in this county. Anywhere. Please don't kill someone. Take a seat, please. All right. Are you Mr. Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
Morning, Mr. Fernandez.
Morning.
Sir, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The reason you're out now is your bond is set at $10,000, which is unusually high for a misdemeanor. I don't know why, but she's asking for a bond reduction. I'd like to know what happened in the case and we'll go from there. Okay.
On March 5th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a family disturbance type call at a residence in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer made contact with the defendant. And the complainant, the defendant's mother, was trying to make him leave the house because she felt like her life was in danger due to his behaviors and threats he made to kill her with a gun. The complainant provided a text message from the defendant's therapist. The defendant also told his brothers about the threats. The defendant showed his 14-year-old brother pictures of guns and stated all of his friends have guns. The brother felt in danger. The defendant admitted he made multiple threats in the past of killing his mother with a gun.
So,
Did I hear a specific threat?
Not directly to the mother, but he had threatened to kill the mom to other people in the
But
family.
that's not, but a terroristic threat has to be aimed to a specific person
Yes.
and there has to be immediacy.
And my response to that would be that it was aimed towards the mother, threats to kill with guns while showing pictures of guns that his friends have access to shows immediacy. And to show intent to put her in fear would be a question for the jury of whether he intended to make her feel fear, whether or not it was directly to her or to others.
so I,
Where the threat is.
So, I mean, so he told his brothers that he was going to kill his mother.
And
That is what the complainant stated. I don't have a time. Oh, wait. As per mother, the last time the defendant had made those threats was 2 days ago. So on March 3rd.
that's not even.
no, this has to be, it's something where, I'm going to kill you, MF, now. It's not, hey man, I'm going to do this in a couple of days, when I get up to it, because I'm kind of lazy. I got shit I need to do. It don't work like that.
I understand. I'm just concerned, so.
Gotta be careful. You got but one life. How was jail? Sucks, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we're not asking for much. All the knuckleheads that have guns that run in the street, they're going to end up in here one day. That's all. I tell you, go start asking anybody when you get back to the tank, Really, life is too short to live in a box like this. You don't need a gun. How old are you?
Just turned 18 on March 5th.
You don't need a gun. Get your ass back into school, man. Knowledge is power. You want to make some money? Learn something. She's amazing. Look at her. How much money you make? Don't answer that. She makes a crap load of money because she knows things.
Yeah.
That's what life's about. Fancy vacation, nice cars, these big ass beaches, blue water. That's what life's about. But you get it in school by gaining knowledge, not with a gun, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna find no probable cause. Do something, man.
Sure.
Get back into school, learn something.
He's in school, so he needs to finish school.
Yeah.
What he's going to
You're
do.
gonna get out today. Be somebody.
Yes, sir.
You're not a statistic. All right.
Thank you, Honor.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please do put a thumbs up on it and consider leaving a comment letting us know your thoughts. Also, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and we love it if you join us live weekdays 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific.